What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop Marvel Rivals from compiling shaders on Startup. So this one is actually fairly easy. So first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Steam here, and obviously you want to log in into your account. Now once you've logged in, there is something that you need to remember and you need to know here. Now if you're going to change this setting here for, in this case, compiling shaders or pre-caching here, as we say, well, this will affect every game that you have right now on Steam. So how do you do this? So first things first, at the top left you should see Steam. So just at the top left here, go ahead and click on it. Now you want to look for settings, go ahead and open it up, and under settings you want to look for downloads. Now under downloads, you want to go and scroll to the very bottom until you see the shader pre-caching here. Now you should see some information about it, but if you want to disable shader compilation or compiling shaders here, what you need to do is you just need to disable this option here. And once you disable that, you want to go and just close this window and start playing Marvel Rivals here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.